So I was on Ton Blockchain's X account one time and I saw this post and I read, introducing WebFlix. In our newly launched blog series, Future Giant, we interviewed WebFlix, aiming to become the Netflix on Telegram, an innovative streaming service and film crowdfunding platform being developed on Ton and soon to be accessible via a Telegram mini app. Guys, you can see when you talk of Ton, all that comes into the mind of many people, including the newbies, is Notcoin, because that's where most people made money, and even it's Notcoin that brought most of you guys into the crypto space. But trust me, I've been on this space for quite a long time. So if I should come across a potential project, trust me, I even something within me tells me, and these guys are building a great project. Imagine being able to stream any type of movie you want on your Telegram app. Here you don't have to be paying any subscription fee to Netflix. You see, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. And one thing is, since it's a Web3 project, you can join early, as I'm going to hold your hand and take you through today and be earning their tokens. You know, every project on Web3, since it's a crypto stuff, goes with their own tokens, and being an early adopter earns you a whooping sum of their tokens. You make money, you can sell, you can use it to enjoy their service. Whatever you do is actually your own cup of tea. So how are you going to start? All you need now is a Telegram account. So let's dive in. All right, guys, so all you need is a link, right, to their Telegram bots, which I'll leave right in the description section and also in the comment section of this very video, right? I'll just leave it. So once you click on the link, this is the first interface you are going to get. Guys, this is a great project and I don't want any of you guys to miss. So click on Start Projects, right? Understood and continue. I don't want to be wasting time or using much of your time reading all these stuffs, right? So here, just click on daily lucky draw, right? For this, I think it's also a 24-hour something. So you click on it on daily basis. Even they've even assigned a wallet to the account, and you can see for now the total points I've accumulated is 0. I already have an account, right? An original account. And so if you want to invite your friends, you click on invite friends, right? And then you can let me forward this to, okay, this guy, and here you'll get your referral link. You can see the blue link. You can just copy it and then share to your friends, right? I don't want to be sending messages to people without their request, because I don't want to lose my account, right? So when you click on lucky draw, I think okay, it says I should join the channel before, so I'll just click on join WebFlix channel. Okay, so now I've joined. Let me go back and then click on daily lucky draw. Okay, you received 47 daily point. Your total point is now 52. Guys, you can see there's actually a great something. So after 24 hours, you come back, you receive the lucky draw, right? And the amount you get isn't static. It's always dependent and relative. Sometimes you get 50 plus, 40 plus, but it's worth it. So you need to be doing this since it's a great project, right? And also don't forget to invite, even if it's possible, start building your own community on WhatsApp or on your social media platforms, and then it will be easy for you to get referrals, right? So if you don't understand anything, please drop it in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you another time with another incredible video. Until next time, be safe.